You spend thousands on your truck, but your cargo gets soaked every time it rains. Your gear gets stolen because everyone can see what's in your bed. And don't get started on how much extra gas you're burning with that open truck bed creating drag. Keep watching to see how these 5 roll-up tonneau covers solve all these problems and save you money in the long run. Check the description for links to all products mentioned. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the FeeTUO soft roll-up tonneau cover, specifically designed for 2022 to 2025 Tundra owners with that 5.5-foot bed. Here is the thing about this cover. It uses 16-gauge aluminum rails that actually hold up better than the thinner materials you'll find on cheaper options. The marine-grade, dual-coated vinyl top handles heavy snow loads without tearing, which is something you don't see in basic covers. Installation takes about 20 to 30 minutes with no drilling required, and the clamp system works with both deck rail and non-deck rail Tundra models. The latching system at the tailgate feels solid, and you can adjust the tension to keep everything tight and wrinkle-free. Actually, the quick-release strap makes accessing your bed pretty straightforward when you need full space. And the weatherproofing does what it promises. Customers report staying dry even through heavy storms. The aluminum frame resists corrosion better than steel alternatives, so you won't deal with rust issues down the road. For the price point, it performs just as well as covers costing twice as much. Things to consider. Keep in mind, this won't fit Trail Edition or roll bar models, so double-check your Tundra's configuration before ordering. Also, while the vinyl is tear-resistant, it's not puncture-proof, so avoid throwing sharp objects directly onto it. Moving on to number 4, the Autosaver 88 designed specifically for Ford Maverick's compact 4.5-foot bed. This cover addresses the unique challenges of smaller truck beds where every inch of space matters. The double-layer PVC construction actually provides better tear resistance than single-layer alternatives, and the specially arched crossbars prevent water from pooling on top. The no-drill clamp system attaches to your bed rails without permanent modifications, which is perfect if you lease your truck. Installation typically takes 30 minutes, and the stainless steel clamps create a secure seal that won't loosen over time. The spring latching system pairs with adjustable tension control to maintain that tight fit regardless of weather conditions. Here's the thing about water resistance. Customers report the bed staying completely dry even through heavy rainstorms and car washes. The aluminum framework holds up well on long highway trips without flexing or creating noise. And the heavy-duty Velcro strips along the sides provide additional sealing that cheaper covers often skip. Actually, for Maverick owners, this represents solid value since there aren't as many tonneau options available for this newer truck model. Things to consider. The compact bed size means you'll need to be more careful about load distribution when the cover is closed. Also, while the PVC is durable, it can show scratches more easily than vinyl-topped covers, so keep that in mind if appearance matters to you. At number 3, the TruXedo Low Pro, which claims to be America's #1 choice for roll-up covers. The leather-grained vinyl does provide superior weather resistance compared to basic materials, and the aircraft-grade aluminum bows handle heavy loads without sagging. What sets this apart is the signature low-profile design. Sitting only 3/4 inch above your truck bed gives it that sleek, almost invisible look. The inside rail mounting system preserves access to your stake pocket holes so you can still use bed accessories without removing the cover. Installation takes under 30 minutes with the no-drill clamp system, and the quick-release mechanism lets you remove the entire cover in seconds when you need maximum bed space. And the automatic tension control actually works. The cover maintains its tight fit through temperature changes and weather conditions without constant adjustments. The industrial-strength fabric resists tears better than standard vinyl, though it's not indestructible. Customers consistently report the watertight seal keeps everything dry, even in severe weather conditions. Being made in the USA with global materials means quality control tends to be more consistent than fully imported alternatives. Things to consider. Keep in mind, this runs more expensive than basic covers, so you're paying a premium for the brand name and features. Also, while the leather grain texture looks good, it can be harder to clean than smooth vinyl surfaces, especially if you get grease or oil on it. Coming in at number 2, the Tyger Auto T1 designed for the 2022-2025 Nissan Frontier. This cover stands out with its US patented design and heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl. That's actually thicker than what most competitors use. The built-in horizontal crossbars provide support when the cover is flat and roll up with the tarp when you need bed access. The aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps create a mounting system that won't corrode or weaken over time. Installation requires no drilling and takes about 30 minutes, though you might need to cut small holes in over-the-rail bedliners for proper clamp placement. The Velcro strip sealing system works alongside the latch lock at the tailgate for comprehensive security. Here is the thing about this cover. It offers up to 13% gas savings through improved aerodynamics, which actually adds up over time if you do a lot of highway driving. The adjustable tension system keeps the vinyl wrinkle-free in any weather, and customers report it holding up well after years of use. And the limited lifetime warranty for US customers provides peace of mind that many imported covers can't match. Things to consider. If you have an over-the-rail bedliner, you'll need to modify it during installation, which some owners prefer to avoid. Also, the 24-ounce vinyl, while durable, adds slightly more weight than lighter alternatives, though this rarely affects performance. Taking the top spot as the best roll-up tonneau cover, the Gator ETX designed for 2019-2025 Dodge Ram 1500 trucks with 5 7-inch beds delivers the combination of quality, functionality, and value that makes it our #1 choice. Made in the USA with globally sourced materials, this cover offers genuine American manufacturing quality with USA-based customer support. The installation process is remarkably fast, about 10 minutes with simple clamp-on rails and no drilling required. You get 100% truck bed access by rolling the cover toward the cab and securing it with the storage strap. What sets this apart is the lifetime warranty on the frame and 10-year warranty on the tarp, showing real confidence in their product. The sleek design mounts inside bed rails for stake pocket access, and the adjustable tension control keeps the cover tight in any condition. The one-handed trigger latch operation makes daily use convenient. Customer feedback consistently praises easy installation with clear instructions and tight fit against the truck bed. The construction quality holds up well on highways, and water resistance performs excellently during rain and car washes. Users report good value for money with maintained color and fit over time. Honestly, the main limitation is compatibility. It only fits Ram 1500s without multifunction tailgates. If you have a different truck or the split tailgate option, you're out of luck. Things to consider. Limited to specific Ram 1500 configurations, excluding trucks with multifunction tailgates, which restricts its universal appeal. That wraps up our top 5 best roll-up tonneau covers. If this helped you choose the right cover for your truck, hit that like button and subscribe for more vehicle accessory reviews.